Hello everyone, this is Jayanta Guha and welcome to another exciting wildlife photography adventure, another wildlife virtual safari blog. Today marks the beginning of our Kenya wildlife photography workshop in May, a journey that many wildlife photographers dream of experiencing at least once in their lifetime. This is my 15th workshop in Kenya in last 3 years. As I leave home and head towards the airport, I can't help but feel excited. Doesn't matter how many times I have been to Kenya, but it's always different. Kenya is a place that never disappoints. Vast savannas, dramatic landscapes, incredible wildlife encounters, and endless photography opportunities await us over the next few days. This workshop is not just about the photographing animals. It is about learning how to tell stories through images, understanding animal behaviors, improving fieldcraft, and creating photographs that stand out. Whether it is the powerful lions of Masai Mara or the elegant cheetahs, massive elephants herd in Amboseli, or dramatic African sunsets, our journey begins with a flight from India to Nairobi, the capital city of Kenya. After several hours of travel and crossing continents, we finally arrive in Africa. Stepping out of the airport, there is always a special feeling. The air feels different, the excitement becomes real. Weather in Kenya is always almost same. 10 degree to 13 degree all over the year, it doesn't change much. But the adventure doesn't stop in Nairobi. From here, we begin our road journey towards world famous Masai Mara National Reserve. So now हम लोग आ गए हैं कहाँ पे आए नैरोबी एयरपोर्ट अभी हम लोग केनिया से अपना भाई मेरे हमारे हिंदी तो भी इंग्लिश तो मालूम हिंदी बोलते ही आ गया So now we are at Nairobi airport and we are going to start. We already have started our journey towards Masai Mara, and you can see the road is so beautiful, and look at the cloud sky. That's the main reason we love Kenya. Now we will stop for breakfast. And here is Paul. Hakuna Matata. The drive itself is an experience. As we leave the city behind, the landscape gradually transforms. Rolling hills, open grassland, local villages, and glimpses of African countryside remind us that we are entering one of the greatest wildlife destinations on earth. For wildlife photographers, it is truly a paradise. After reaching Masai Mara, we arrive at our beautiful camp, which will be our home for the next 3 days. This camp is inside the park, from where you can hear the lion roaring during night. The welcome here is always heartwarming. The staff greet us with genuine smiles and a song. After a long journey, their warmth immediately makes us feel comfortable and relaxed. The property is surrounded by nature, and everywhere you look, there is a sense of wilderness. This is exactly the kind of place where you disconnect from everyday life and immerse yourself completely in the natural world. Over the next 3 days, this will be our base as we head out for morning and evening game drives in search of Africa's incredible wildlife. We will be exploring different areas in Masai Mara, working on photography techniques, discussing composition, hopefully creating some unforgettable images together. The adventure is only just beginning. In the next episode, we head into the wild for our first game drive today afternoon in Masai Mara. Who knows what awaits us? Who knows what is waiting for us? Maybe a lion fried or cheetah hunt, or perhaps a surprise encounter around the next corner. Stay tuned and let's explore the magic of Africa together. This is Jayanta Guha, and I will see you in the next episode.